Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to save a route in Google Maps on your phone so you can access it later with just one tap. Super useful for daily communities, trips or delivery runs. First of all, simply connect your device to the internet or mobile data or Wi-Fi. After connecting to the internet, simply open Google Map application. After opening your Google Map application, enter your starting point and your destination. First of all, from here search your button. Suppose I want to go here and simply click directions. After clicking direction, the route will be created. Once route is ready, tap the three dots in the top right corner that you can see here and simply add route to home screen. Simply click on it and simply add it. Google Maps will prompt you to place a shortcut icon on your home screen. Tap add. Now just tap the icon at any time you save route will instantly load in Google. As you can see here, the shortcut button is added. To open, simply open it and Google Map simply open.
Then turn left.
And that's it. Your route is now just one tap away. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more time saving tips using Google. Thank you for watching.